What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera unable to save photos issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and after restarting your phone it will fix the small software glitches and it will help you to fix the camera unable to save photos issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the problem, then check for the camera permissions. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera. Now click on permissions, and if you have not provided the permissions to the camera or photos and videos, then it will not save the photos and videos to your phone. So from here tap on allow, always allow, and after that it will fix your unable to save photos issue. But after giving permission, if your camera is still not saving photos, then the next solution is reset the camera. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on apps, and in apps open the camera. Now in camera, scroll down and click on storage, and from here tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory, and then tap on clear data to clear the app data. Now from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. So after clearing the data and cache memory of camera, it will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So to reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset, scroll down and click on reset all settings option, and from here click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option here to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So tap on reset, and after that the camera will start saving photos to your phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.